Before buying a voice-controlled smart microwave, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, GE 4-in-1 Countertop Microwave. Let's check out the GE 4-in-1 Countertop Microwave. Priced at $199.99, this oven caught my eye with its versatility. If you want a microwave that can air fry, broil, and convection cook, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has an air fryer built in, meaning you can make crispy fries or chicken wings without the added oil. The convection feature helps distribute heat evenly, so your pizza comes out perfectly cooked. With 1,050 watts of power and a 1.0 cubic feet capacity, it fits well in smaller kitchens or dorms without sacrificing cooking efficiency. Plus, it has preset controls for things like fries and nuggets, which makes things hassle-free. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're just cooking for yourself or a couple of people, this doesn't hinder performance at all. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or need a compact solution that doesn't compromise on features. Skip this one if you often cook for large gatherings. For the price, it offers impressive value for a multifunctional microwave.
Product number 2, Toshiba ML-EM45PIT-BS. At $213.99, this black stainless steel beauty stands out with its inverter technology. If you want even cooking without cold spots, this one's a winner. The Origin inverter technology is a game changer. It allows for precise heating, so your leftovers won't turn into rubbery goo. With a capacity of 1.6 cubic feet and 1,250 watts of power, it's versatile enough for a variety of dishes. The smart sensor auto menus adjust power and cooking time based on the food you're heating up, making it super user-friendly. Plus, it has a child lock feature, making it safe if you have little ones around. Some users found the lack of a backlit control panel a bit frustrating, especially in low-light kitchens. But honestly, if you're familiar with the layout, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for busy parents or anyone who wants to simplify meal prep. Skip this one if you need flashy features or a backlit display. For the price, it combines power and convenience effectively.
Product number 3, Toshiba ML-EM45PIT-SS, retailing at $179.94. This stainless steel model combines style and functionality. If you're looking for a microwave that performs well and looks good on your counter, give this one a look. It shares the same Origin inverter technology as its black counterpart, and boasts 6 smart sensor auto menus. Whether you're heating up pizza, veggies, or leftovers, it adapts for optimum results every time. The Quick Start button is another nice touch, allowing you to start cooking with just one touch. Now, some might find the sound on-off function a bit tricky to activate. You have to hold down the button for a few seconds, which can be annoying if you're in a hurry, but once you get the hang of it, it's a handy feature. This is perfect for anyone who loves efficiency and style. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional look. With its price point, it's a solid value for a reliable microwave.
Product number 4, GE Profile PCH-K11S1SWSS. The GE Profile PCH-K11S1SWSS, priced at $467. This one's a bit on the higher end, but it offers some impressive tech. If you want a microwave that connects seamlessly to your smart home, this is definitely worth considering. The Scan to Cook feature is a standout. Just scan the barcode of your meal and the microwave takes care of the rest. It also connects to Wi-Fi, so you can control it via your smartphone or even with voice commands. With a capacity of 1.1 cubic feet and 800 watts, it's designed to deliver consistent results. However, some users have noted that the 800 watts may feel underwhelming compared to others on this list. But honestly, if you're using it for reheating or defrosting, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for tech-savvy individuals who love convenience. Skip this if you need a powerhouse for larger meals. It's a premium option, but the smart features justify the price for many.
Product number 5, Toshiba OptiChef Pro Max. The Toshiba OptiChef Pro Max, priced at $479.99. This one caught my eye with its air fryer combo features. If you want an all-in-one appliance that takes care of various cooking needs, this is the one. The Chef Fry Plus feature mimics an air fryer, so you can enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing taste. The 2.4-inch color screen is intuitive and makes navigating through options easy.
Plus, with the Origin inverter technology, you get perfectly cooked meals every single time. The capacity of 1.3 cubic feet means it can handle a good-sized pizza or even a whole chicken. On the downside, some might find the price a bit steep compared to traditional microwaves, but when you consider the air fryer capability, it's essentially killing two birds with one stone. This is perfect for those who want versatility in their kitchen. Skip this if you're looking for a basic microwave. The combined features definitely add value to your cooking experience.
So, to wrap it up, the GE 4-in-1 is great for compact living, while the Toshiba MLEM45PIT in BS and SS offer solid performance at a good price. The GE Profile excels in smart tech, and the Toshiba OptiChef is perfect for those wanting an all-in-one solution. Each has its strengths, so think about what you really need.